Hello, everyone. So, today we'll talk about what speech act theory is. Communication is all about exchanging your message, your ideas, your opinion, but it is not just words. सिर्फ शब्द exchange करना या कहना communication नहीं है. So, this is what is going to be explained by speech act theory. Let me share. So, words can trigger action. And how do they do that? The speech theory will explain that. अगर आप सोचें कि कभी कोई भी सिचुएशंस या प्रॉब्लम्स और एनीथिंग दैट यू फेस इन लाइफ एंड यू नीड सम मोटिवेशन, व्हाट डू यू डू? क्या आप किसी को रीच आउट करते हैं? और इफ समवन, योर लव्ड वंस और योर नियर वंस नीड योर हेल्प, how do you communicate? Do you have any words of wisdom to share with them? So the Speech Act says that when we are using words, when we're using languages, it is we are communicating some idea or message across, but it is beyond just using words, spoken words, right? So each time you speak, you're actually doing an action. So in communication, हम इसे ही कहते हैं the Speech Act. So this Speech Act has three components: Locutionary Act, Illocutionary Act, and the Perlocutionary Act. Now, we'll understand what these are in detail through a mind map. J.L. Austin, in 1962, he wrote in his book, How to Do Things with Words, that language is not just communication, it is action. कहनी और करनी, वो कैसे होता है? तो जी ये तीन components हैं. Locution, which has a propositional meaning. That means the literal content of a statement. अब इसका मतलब क्या है कि when somebody is speaking or giving a statement, suppose somebody promises that I will do this project for you, or I commit to do something, anything, any statement, the literal meaning, that is the propositional statement, right? So that is what locution is. It can be true or false. It is possible that if I promise, I may not stick to it. मैंने कहा कि मैं ये करूंगी पर मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, या फिर ये सच भी हो सकता है और नहीं भी. Elocution is speech as action. When doing something in saying something, somebody says, I'm sorry. So, and if you're feeling that it is, if I'm requesting something and seeking an action out of it, that is elocution speech. Issuing a warning or a threat or any recommendation or offer, extending an offer, all of this is elocution speech. परलोक्यूशन क्या होता है? इफेक्ट्स ऑफ दैट स्पीच. तो अगर किसी ने कोई स्टेटमेंट कहा, जैसे मैंने अगर प्रॉमिस किया कि ये प्रोजेक्ट आपके लिए करूंगी, और इसके बेसिस पे द इफेक्ट दैट इट हैज ऑन यू, बेसिस वट एवर योर एक्सपीरियंसेस, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको वो आश्वासन मिला या आपको ट्रस्ट या कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि हाँ ठीक है ये हो जाएगा, सो दैट इफेक्ट, दैट इज द परलिक्यूशन पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीच, right? So doing something by saying something. Or suppose, for example, how it has an impact on the listener. That is, the belief changes if two people are communicating and there is a change in the belief or thought process. If I was about to do something, मुझे इस एक्ट के बाद, इस कम्युनिकेशन के बाद मुझे कुछ एक्शन लेना है. सो बेसिस व्हाट यू आर सेइंग, अगर उसका इम्पैक्ट होता है और मेरा एक्शन चेंज हो जाता है. With a simple example, say a child says, I am upset or I am hurt. And in reaction, or the next what the mother says or does, suppose the mother hugs the child, या फिर मतलब मदर नीचे बैठ गई चाइल्ड के पास. So that is a effect of that speech. That is what perlocution is. Now, as I was giving you an example of how if I say I will do a project, so and so project, तो उसमें तीन चीजें हैं, तीन तथ्य आ गए. एक तो लोक्यूशन, मतलब साधारण अर्थ हो गया उसका. इलोक्यूशन इज योर क्रियात्मक, उसमें एक्शन आ गया. परलोक्यूशन इज योर इफेक्ट, उसका प्रभावात्मक अर्थ क्या हुआ, क्या आएगा. सो इन अ मैरिज डिक्लेरेशन व्हेन पीपल से, यू नो, I declare you husband and wife. So that is, these are just words, but it has elocution effect because of the authority of the vicar. It makes a valid act. And perlocution उसका क्या होता है? When the couple follows the vows and further, say yes I do, and so that is a perlocution part of it. So here the two more very important questions that you can ask yourself is, what do we do when we speak? And the second is, what impact do we have when we speak? So when we are speaking anything, if it has an impact on the other person or the outcome of it, outcome kya hua? That is what your, speech act theory in action. So as I explained, locutionary act is somebody just giving a statement. किसी ने बस एक statement तथ्य बताया. Or asking a question. Somebody's asking a question. Elocutionary act is where, it is doing something by saying something along with it. So saying I'm sorry, or saying that I promise it won't happen again. And prelocutionary act is, where I was giving you an example of the mother and child, where the utterance of word is causing an effect, or for mother to act, right? Even though the child had not asked for reassurance. So words and actions are powerful enough to appease the heart or incite a war. Thank you.